Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations. The details years after, yeah? The details of all these years after.
This is a factory. I want all the top management come from Sarawak, and that's why I fight so hard in the parliament. And I asked the parliament 2 years ago. I said, how many Petronas scholarship over 2 years you given to Sarawak? First, you only give us 5% petrol, petrol royalty, and now they said you want to give all the process locally. But I said that's not good enough. What is important is to build out each of our children